Hey everyone, welcome to the Apex Archives. Today we're going to be taking a look at the M44 made in Hungary. Alrighty, today we're going to be taking a look at the Hungarian Model 44, which is a variant of the Mosin-Nagant series of rifles. The M44 is a carbine version of the Mosin-Nagant, so it has a shorter barrel, side-folding bayonet, and this specific one was produced in Hungary. If you're looking at your M44, the main identifiable markings that will signal that it is Hungarian is going to be the 02 factory markings that'll spread out throughout the body and the receiver of the rifle. Unlike other models of Mosin-Nagant, they don't specifically have this sort of factory marking. They have a 02, which is kind of their factory marking, which can also be found on later variants of rifles as they went in and produced AKs and things of that nature. So if you've got one of these M44 rifles, it acts just like a standard Mosin-Nagant. It is a bolt action rifle. It has a 5-round magazine capacity. It has a 20.2 inch barrel because we live in the United States, so I'm going to use inches. But we will also have more stats here in the listing for this specific rifle. Now, like most M44 variants that you'll find, this does have the side folding bayonet. To actuate the side folding bayonet, you're going to pull back and then forward. There is a groove in which this bayonet will fall into, and then you're going to want to grab this collar and it'll go right around this front muzzle area right here, like so, and then you've got the bayonet folded forward. And to put it back into its slot, you'll do the same thing. You'll push the collar forward, flip it to its side, and it'll fall into place. If you're looking to identify whether your M44 is Hungarian, there's a few key places that you're going to want to look. On the top of the receiver here, you can see that there's a 02, and then there's a factory marking showing that it is from Hungary. On the back of the stock here, there's a 02 as well as another factory marking. And then throughout the rifle, there are 02s stamped all up and down this bad boy, which just signals that it is a Hungarian-made part. On the top of the bolt here, there's another 02. On the back of the safety, there's one as well. And then as you look through this rifle, there will be one on the rear sight, here down on the magazine. Well, all over 02 means Hungary. To do a field strip of this rifle, it's very easy. You're just gonna open up the bolt, pull back. When you pull back, you'll notice that the trigger moves there. And what that signals is you can pull the trigger and then remove the bolt. To do a further breakdown of this rifle, on the bottom here, there will be a set screw that you'll remove at the front of the magazine well. And in addition, on the top of the receiver here, there's another screw as well. Once you remove those two, you'll be able to remove the action and the magazine well from the rifle. To remove the magazine well from the rifle, there's a little button here on the bottom that'll flip out, push in on the spring follower, and you can see it's just a little clip here that'll actuate along this rivet in the middle. This will come out, and then once you move those two screws, the barreled action as well as the magazine body will come out of the rifle, and you can do further cleaning if you so desire. That's a quick look at the Hungarian M44. If you're interested on getting more information on this rifle, you can visit the Apex Archives, where we'll have more detailed photos and a brief history and description. If you're looking for parts for this, you can visit our sister website, apexgunparts.com.